Hey everyone, Casey here. We all love a good deal, right? That little endorphin rush when you snag something you need or just really want at a fraction of the price. It's like magic. Today I'm going to share some incredible online shopping hacks that will change the way you shop forever. We're diving deep into the trenches of the internet to uncover those hidden gems, secret codes, and ninja tactics that'll have you feeling like you just robbed Fort Knox without actually, doing that illegal stuff. Stick around to uncover the secrets to saving money and making the most out of your online purchases. All right, let's kick things off with a game-changer browser extensions. These little guys are like having a personal shopping assistant working overtime in your browser 24/7, and the best part, they're usually free. We're talking about extensions like Honey, Rakuten, Capital One Shopping. They hunt down and automatically apply coupon codes at checkout. You just shop like you normally would and bam, savings magically appear. Some extensions even track price history, so you can see if that sale is actually a steal or just some clever marketing. Knowledge is power, people. And with these extensions, you'll be armed and dangerous, ready to conquer the online shopping world. Now, I know what you're thinking, Casey, are these things safe? And the answer is, for the most part, yes. Just make sure you're downloading from reputable sources like the Chrome Web Store or the Firefox add-on store. Read the reviews, do your research, and you'll be golden. They're easy to install, easy to use, and they can save you a ton of money. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Newsletters? Casey, are you serious? Hear me out. I used to think newsletters were just spam, clogging up my inbox with unwanted junk. But then I discovered the light, my friends. The light of exclusive deals, early access to sales, and discounts that'll make your heart skip a beat. Be strategic about it. Pick the brands you love, the stores you frequent, the websites that make your credit card tremble with anticipation. And here's a pro tip. Create a separate email address just for newsletters. That way, your main inbox stays clean and organized, while your deals inbox becomes a treasure trove of savings. Newsletters also keep you in the loop about new product launches, upcoming sales, and other exciting announcements. So next time you're about to hit that checkout button, take a moment to check if the store has a newsletter. This next hack is a bit of a psychological game, but trust me, it works. You know how sometimes you add items to your cart, but then you hesitate? You're not quite sure if you're ready to commit, so you abandon your digital shopping cart and go about your day. Well, guess what? Online retailers know you're doing this, and they don't like it one bit. They want you to click that purchase button, and they're willing to go to great lengths to make it happen. Enter the abandoned cart email. This email is like a siren song, luring you back in with promises of free shipping, discounts, or other tempting offers. Now, I'm not saying you should intentionally abandon your cart every time you shop online. But if you're on the fence about a purchase, it doesn't hurt to play the waiting game. Add the item to your cart, leave it there for a day or two, and see if you receive that magical abandoned cart email. You might just be surprised at the savings that come your way. In the vast digital marketplace where deals lurk around every corner and prices fluctuate with the speed of a hummingbird's wings, it's more important than ever to be a savvy shopper. Don't be a sheep, blindly clicking on the first price you see. Channel your inner detective, put on your Sherlock Holmes hat, and prepare to compare prices like a pro. Remember, my friends, the internet is your oyster, and within its digital depths lie hidden pearls of savings. Don't settle for the first price you see. Instead, embrace the power of price comparison websites and unleash their full potential. Websites like Google Shopping, Price Grabber, and BizRate are your new best friends. They scour the internet, comparing prices from different retailers so you don't have to. All right, let's talk about cookies. No, not the delicious kind you eat, though I'm always down for a good chocolate chip cookie. I'm talking about those pesky little trackers that websites use to follow you around the internet. You know what I'm talking about, right? You visit a website, browse a few products, and suddenly you're seeing ads for those same products everywhere you go online. But fear not, my savvy shoppers, because I'm about to let you in on a little secret incognito mode. Incognito mode, also known as private browsing, is like a secret agent mode for your browser. It prevents websites from tracking your browsing history, cookies, and other data. So how does this save you money, you ask? Well, some sneaky websites use your browsing history to adjust prices. For example, If you've been eyeing a particular flight or hotel room, they might increase the price the more you visit the website. But in incognito mode, you're a mystery. Websites don't know your browsing history, so they can't adjust prices based on your past behavior. There you have it, my fellow shopaholics. 5 online shopping hacks that will change the way you shop forever. Now go forth and conquer the digital marketplace, armed with the knowledge and tools to save big on everything your heart desires. Try these hacks on your next online shopping spree and see how much you can save. You might be surprised at how much those little savings add up over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all my latest videos. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed the relaxing tunes while learning these tips.